Batman, first of all, rice. No, boy, I cannot. Rice not ready. The rice not ready.
Chilla bill of rice could I bust your throat.
Them say curry chicken. Chicken white, you fuck.
Alright,
and you're bullying me at 2 million pesos. First of all,
after that raw. Chicken just refreshing and the coconut juice running down and everything just step. I don't know which blood him see.
I done by now.
Me tell you, them gonna stash me to give me around me neck that damn pendant or that me tell you. Stash me my money.
No, never tell you the truth. Our group are always lose because of hero.
Group leader is so illiterate, but he's the one with the big mouth.
Drop me slip, no man. You done married a woman house. Drop me skirt, man. Time is going.
Yes, the skirt with proportion.
It's not right, Brother Thomas. It's on the floor still.
Things Jamaicans say in your presence when they owe you money. Me not forget you know. I still a wait for my little partner job to sort out my business from when. I soon sort you out here. Why I know my pain a reach you know. You couldn't remind me say me have sitting for you. Me say you want to know how long Gilbert owe me and me a bank pan the money to pay you back you know. Soon sort things out man. Boy if me didn't know so me I go say to them with a carry thing for you know. I know my money may I use by this year. And somebody asked me to buy something for them. Here's a rice and flour raise. I wasn't supposed to get that thing there again. Boy, I'm a broke boy. How much me I feel?
Boy, I'm telling you this if you top make that time music put so much influence on your life, you know. If you rate a one song, you rate a one song. Missy man make that time music turn him in a big scammer. In a party, boy, how you ring gear up with island bagger there enough and leads. You probably not even know what is a lead sheet rotting. You know why I was thinking? Man's working 9 hours a day, 2-5 a day. And in a party, I'm singing best part I tune. Big food jack dog make we celebrate Costa Rica. Which big food, sir? Where big food there? You know why new style? Me see them come in with too. Them coming at the party that the 15 bill shirt and left it tag panny. I you see when the intense they play. I saw we pop Mali pop ST, I saw we pop tag. You see them joy too. Like sir, a 15 bill shirt come on out, happy nice. The music I go and work, I'm alright if me no mind all me feel like me a chop.
Alright class, turn the page. Bumbo. Sir, John, I'm late. Why you coming into my classroom like this? Sir, why can I come think the still now? I arrive. Oh, I'm gonna give your parent a call. I live the way you know, so me no parent. You don't have a mother and a father? Oh, them is something with them and now them is something with them. So how did you get here? Sir, no walk, man. No, how you reach on this planet? Oh, how are you a for man? Get out.
Sir, are you aware you're sitting in an exit row? Are you willing and able to assist in the case of an emergency? Well then, sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to sit somewhere else. Excuse me? Well, sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to change your seat. Sir! But, sir, you know, see people like you make flight attendants want to take flight for your blows that. I want to, sir, come out of the chair, please, and dance. Sir! You know what? You go on the no food list. You not get no cookie. You not get no Pringles. You not get no ginger ale. You go starve for the 8 hours with the panda plane here. Sir, come out of the chair. But sir! You know what? Ruby, come angle the passenger please before me thump him in the eye.
Sir, your new seat is now 14.
Oh, the view is breathtaking. Look at the beautiful trees, the water, the artistic landscape. You can imagine if somebody had dropped down a fire, so dead as neat. Broke up all where they no got. Foot would have gone, hand would have gone, head would have mashed up like watermelon. Come we go inside, cause this not safe.
You hear me?
Yeah.
I called you before and I still like you and I want to take you out next week. What your days are like?
Sir, tonight I'm not deal with no take out, no take in, no take over. Me I deal with jacket father, no disrespect. I mean no dep on the market. You understand? Me dep on the shelf. Alright?
You on the shelf?
Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Let me get through to the jacket father, cause you disrupt the call, you know.
Alright, then me gonna call you tomorrow, yeah?
Me can't hear nothing what you say. No, see, if I don't know what flow, every minute flow come in here, come give me. Hello?
Flow now work, you know, man. Flow stop give me trouble, no man. Cho. Alright, split line connect up the coil. Me no know what go on with it. You understand? Flow no bother with no bother problem in the night. Why has me come for talk to jacket father them Flow start give problem? Move your hand.
Is a blind handicap man, give me that.
Oh, no say that. Make me a try
He
for
blind.
Listen, Chuck. Mr. Leroy. Tell him say you're sorry. No, me not here. Mr. Junior, I am sorry. Mr. Junior, come here now.
You don't
Alright.
have to sorry.
Mr. Junior.
Because the damage is already done.
Mr. Junior, look here now. Tell him say you're sorry to
Me
me.
not sorry, me fuck him up.
Jesus Christ, have mercy. Hold this. That now go on in a John shop. Are you the aggressor for true? Are you the aggressor for... yes, sir, him are the aggressor they know. Come here, put piece to piece and him not...
So you leave me for?
No, you can't take back in blind and you go wrong
Me
for go give up.
step in walk down and the man
Yeah.
give me cocoa.
Mr. Leroy, you know, see same bill step for your walk down. Just come.
Monique, baby. Monique. Monique.
Yo, me not tell you something I don't want you in my yard.
Excuse me, not come to you. Sorry. Monique.
Yo, me say me not want you in my yard. I come to my daughter.
So me come to you. Are you me come to?
All the while I talk to you about the same thing.
Sorry.
Alright, hold on, I'll call her for you.
Come.
Hold on, I'll call her for you.
Straight running and jamming tonight. No, ram never ram out that. Hotel, you go straight to hotel, one night, you have sex. Monique! Alright, that.
Move from me yard, man. Me tell you something I don't want you.
Yo, it amazes me to see how American people grow them pitney. The way how me grew up is totally different from how them pitney I grew up. First of all, them American pitney and have no manners. And me want to know where to take out of them American people if you realize that timeout don't work. In all my years of being a child, I was never given a timeout. Me wish when me did little, my punishment was for to stand up in a one corner. Duh! Of course me gonna do it again. I probably I'll have one little drawing part in a corner just to enjoy myself by myself. When me I grow up, me I get beaten with branch, iron, hose, belt. Them pitney I find even know for do nothing. Me never know for use a washing machine till me about 21. Machine in the house and my granny have me I wash my clothes with my hand. Them foreign pitney I even get chores. Remember when me there in Jamaica, me I feel sweep dirt. Yard no tile or nothing. Me just a sweep dirt with broom. Them pitney I even fold up them clothes. Anyhow, me never fold my clothes. Me come see every clothes me own in a garbage bin.